Yes, my dear friends, very good morning each and everyone. I am Raghavendra SALEGAON from APPA School. Welcome to all people for this online class. My dear friends, in the previous classes we have completed pollution of air and water because of PA2 test. Today I am going to take the revision class. Okay, anyhow, tomorrow you are going to read the test on this lesson only. That is why I am going to discuss this lesson. Okay, pollution of air and water, isn't it? So first you should know the what is meant by pollution. What is meant by pollution? You should know this. Is what is meant by pollution? Yes, but it means any environment, any atmosphere, if it is altered by physically, chemically, then biologically. If any system or any environment altered by physically, chemically, and biologically, then that is called pollution. Whatever it may be, water pollution, it may be soil pollution, it may be air pollution, it may be noise pollution, or any other kind of pollution you have to take. Yes, anyhow, we have discussed. Let us come to the point. Air pollution. What is meant by air pollution? Isn't it? Air pollution. Okay, air pollution means the unwanted substances substances enter into the air, already entered, and that condition is called air pollution. Again you can say this also, if air is altered by physically, chemically, biologically, then that is called what? Air pollution, isn't it? And there are some substances are there, they can pollute the environment, they can pollute the air. Such substances are called air pollutants, or commonly you can say pollutants. Okay, pollutants, isn't it? What are these? Carbon dioxide, lead, carbon monoxide, then nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, smog, like this. So many pollutants are there. They can pollute the environment. They can pollute the air, and that because we are going to say air pollution, isn't it? Yes. Causes of air pollution. What are the reason for air pollution? Let us see that one by one. Causes of air pollution, isn't it? Causes of air pollution. Causes of air pollution. Okay, first point, that is first point, industries. Industries, you know very well industries. Right now, so many industries are there right now. Okay, in India, more than 5,000 industries are there. More than 5,000. Okay, more than 5,000 industries are there. Just you can think about the industries, how much they are leaving the smoke. Okay, how much leaving the smoke. Okay, in that smoke again carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, lead, some chemicals are there. Okay, all these are, they pollute the environment, they pollute the air. So industries are the responsible for the air pollution. Industries are responsible for the air pollution. Clear? Then next point, that is traffic reason. In each and every city, including Kalburgi also. Including Kalburgi also, you can take the big cities, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Hyderabad, okay, Madras. Like this, so many cities are there. You can take any city. I told you, including Kalburgi also. Right now, due to this traffic, what happened? The air get polluted. Air get polluted. Okay, because in petrol they are going to use lead. So lead oxide you will get after burning the petrol. You get the lead oxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. So these are the pollutants you will get. Okay. So traffic, due to traffic also there is a pollution of air. There is a pollution of air, isn't it? Okay. After this, what are the effect of carbon dioxide? Effect. Okay. Any you will get the carbon dioxide here. In the nature, in the air, 0.03 percentage of carbon dioxide is there. 0.03 percentage carbon dioxide is there. It must be there. Okay, but the percentage now it is increased because of pollution, because of air pollution. Okay, because of our activities, human activities, because of civilization. Okay, nowadays the carbon dioxide is increases, isn't it? How it is effect on the environment? Let us say that carbon dioxide. Okay, my dear students, if carbon dioxide mixed with water, what do you get here? H2CO3, carbonic acid. You get the carbonic acid. Okay, carbon dioxide if it is mixed with the water, how it is mixed with water? While raining, it will mix with the water, forms what? Acid. Which acid? Carbonic acid. Okay, carbonic acid will get. And one more thing, it is effect on respiratory system. Completely air pollution, it is effect on respiratory system only. It may be lungs, it may be throat, it may be breathing problem, inhalation and exhalation, whatever it may be there. Okay, due to the air pollution only, isn't it? Okay, then the carbon dioxide leads to the acidity of the sea. It means sea water get completely acid. If the concentration of carbon dioxide is more in the atmosphere, what happens? The carbon dioxide dissolve in sea water. Carbon dioxide dissolve in sea water and it turns into acidity. It means complete sea become acid. Okay. Yes. Next, come to the point. Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. How it is affect? Okay, it is completely poisonous. Poisonous. Carbon monoxide is poisonous completely. If the concentration of carbon monoxide increases in the atmosphere, it is also effect on lungs and breathing problem. Okay, once we inhale the carbon monoxide, it is mixed with hemoglobin. What is the location of hemoglobin? Where will get the hemoglobin? Okay, it is present in blood. It is present in blood, which gives the red color to the blood, hemoglobin. Okay, shortly we are going to write HB. We are going to write HB. Carbon monoxide mixed with hemoglobin, HB. Okay, what do you get the product? Carboxyhemoglobin. Carboxyhemoglobin. It means there is a transfer of oxygen. There is a transfer of oxygen inside the blood, not sufficient. It means insufficient oxygen is transferred to each and every part of the body. Insufficient. We need sufficient amount of oxygen for what? For respiration, for all the life processes, whatever the processes are going on inside the body. For all the process, we need oxygen. Without oxygen, all the organs, all the tissues will not work properly because they need energy. Due to respiration only, we will get the energy. If there is no air, there is no oxygen, we will not get the energy. It means we will not get the energy. So this carboxyhemoglobin effect on that. It means respiratory system completely. We will not get the sufficient amount of oxygen. Okay, indirectly or directly, there is chances of death. chances of death also, isn't it? Right now in Delhi, I think you observed in news, I think you read in newspaper, highly polluted city in the India only. Of course, you can take in the world also, no problem. Okay, highly polluted city. There is invisibility. We can't see the any object properly. That much smog is there. That much suspended particles also are there. That much polluted is there right now in Delhi, isn't it? So many people, most of the people in Delhi, they are suffering from the respiratory problem, asthma, especially asthma, cough. Okay, these are the problems right now they are facing, isn't it? Yes. So carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide also, they are responsible for the air pollution. Hope point is clear. Now let us see the next point. CFC. CFC. Pollution of air and water. Revision. Okay, guys. Next, come to the point. CFC. Okay, right now, CFC. Still somewhere we are using CFC in the fridge also. Chlorofluorocarbon. This is the full form of CFC. Okay, right now we are not using, but somewhere we are using CFC. Of course, if it is necessary, we can use it. If it is not necessary, we are not going to use. Yes, my dear friends, listen here. In the international level, they have made an agreement. We should not use the CFC in fridge and AC. In fridge and AC, already it is banned. We are not using. Instead of that, we are using ammonia. Ammonia NS3. Instead of that, we are using ammonia, isn't it? What is the effect of this? Why we are not going to use? What is the effect of this? Let us see that. My dear friends, this CFC gas, it is affecting on ozone layer. It is affecting on ozone layer, O3. Yes, it means carbon chlorofluorocarbon. It means one chlorine molecules can destroy the more than thousand of ozone molecules. Imagine that. Imagine yourself. Okay, my dear friends, listen here. One chlorine molecule can destroy the more than thousand ozone molecules. Just you can focus on that. How much we are destroying the ozone layer. That is why nowadays we are facing the what temperature. Temperature of the atmosphere increases, especially in the summer season. We are feeling very hot, and even pollution also responsible for that. Okay. Anyhow, we have stopped this CFC. We are not going to use right now, isn't it? Chlorofluorocarbon. Yes. Yes. After this, next lead. Okay, from industries, and in petrol we are going to use lead in petrol also. Yes, You will get the lead oxide after the burning. Yes, it is again poisonous, again dangerous. Especially it is effect on nervous system. Nervous system or brain. Nervous system are completely brain, and it is effect on kidney. Brain disorders, kidney disorders. Okay, isn't it? And it is effect on nose and as well as eyes also. Any of that air pollution is effect on eyes and nose or headache, iddiness. So many problems are there, isn't it? Especially lead oxide effect on brain and kidney disorders and brain disorders, isn't it? Yes. What are the effect of air pollution? You know very well, smog. Okay, fog plus smoke. You'll get the fog, smog. Okay, what is the effect of this smog? Invisibility. Already I told you. Invisibility. Okay, there are some suspended particles. Suspended particles. It means we can't see the any object properly. That is called invisibility or visibility, isn't it? Yes, suspended particles. And it is also effect on completely respiratory system. Respiratory system. Respiratory system. It may be cough, it may be breathing problem, it may be chest pain. Okay, totally you can write a commonly respiratory system, isn't it? It is effect on lungs, breathing problem. There is a pain in a breathing, difficulty in a breathing. Which one? Small, isn't it? Yes. Second one, acid rain. Acid rain. Yes, my dear friends, you know very well air pollution. Inside the air pollution, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. These are the common gases are there inside the air. So due to these gases, air get polluted, isn't it? Yes, while raining, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, next nitrogen oxide. These are the gases. They dissolve in water. These three gases dissolve in water, forms what? Sulfuric acid, carbonic acid, next nitric acid. These are the three acid you get. And the phenomena is called acid rain. What is meant by acid rain? Gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide mixed with the rainwater and forms acid. The process is called acid rain. Okay, the pH of acid rain below 5.6 pH or 5.6. Okay, if it is above, it is quite basic also. Quite basic, not completely basic, quite basic, isn't it? Then we can say it is acidic. Yes. Okay, this is about what regarding the acid rain. What are the effects of acid rain? Let us see that one by one. Effects. So first point here, effects of acid rain. So first point, it is effect on soil. Okay, it is effect on soil. How? It rains. It rains. Acid will reach to the directly soil. Soil become what? Completely acidified. Acidified. It means the soil completely turns into acid. In that acidic medium, plants will not grow properly. crops will not grow properly, seeds will not germinate properly. Okay, because of acids. Too much of acid is effect on soil as well as crops. Too much of basic also effect on crop and as well as soil. It should be maintained neutral. Okay, already you have studied in the last year soil treatment, physical and chemical changes. In that lesson you already studied this one, soil treatment. If it is acidic, we have to add base. If it is basic, which one? Soil. If the soil is basic, then you have to add acid. If it is acidic, you have to add basic. Okay, then it is maintained what? Neutral, isn't it? It is what? A neutral in nature. Then we can grow the some crops, some seeds can germinate properly, otherwise they could not, isn't it? Okay, next after this soil what? Second point I'm going to write here. It is effect on historical monuments. Historical monuments like Taj Mahal. Historical monuments. Taj Mahal, I think you observed Hampi, Ayavade, Pattadakallu. So these are what historical monuments still are there in Bijapur, Gulgumas. Okay, they can affect by acid rain. It means all the historical places made by some marbles, some stones. Stones contain calcium. Stones contains what? Calcium. Calcium can react with the acid. Okay, calcium can react with the acid. It means calcium plus, I will take common acid HCl, you'll get the calcium chloride plus hydrogen gas is released. Hydrogen gas is released. It means completely the beauty of historical monuments get destroyed. Okay, it is looking like ugly. If it is ugly, if it is destroyed, it is effect on tourism also, isn't it? So it is what a effect of acid rain. Next, one more point. It is effect on aquatic organisms. Aquatic organisms. It means it rains means, my dear friends, all the aquatic organism get acidic water. In that acidic water, they can't live properly. They will die, and it is effect on complete aquatic ecosystem. Complete aquatic ecosystem, isn't it? So after this, one more concept is there, that is global warming. Okay, global warming. Next concept is global warming. Yes, my dear friends, global warming. Globe means earth, warm means heat. It means, anyhow, you know very well, in the atmosphere, the concentration of carbon dioxide is increases. Concentration of carbon dioxide increases. Due to this carbon dioxide, there is a chances of increasing the heat. Heat. It means the temperature of the atmosphere increases. Temperature of atmosphere increases, and there is an increase of heat in the atmosphere. It leads to the global warming, right? Global warming, isn't it? How that carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere already we have discussed. Industries, trophic reasons. Okay, some burning, isn't it? Some burning process also. We are burning some of the plastics, waste materials, rubber and all. Okay, that is also responsible for the air pollution. So due to that, carbon dioxide increases. If carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere, directly global warming increases. It means heat is increases in the atmosphere, and the condition is called global warming. Okay, what are the effect of global warming? So first one, ice caps. Okay, ice caps. It means big glaciers are there, icebergs are there. All the ice caps are Himalayan regions get melt due to the high heat. Due to the high heat, what happened? There is an increases of floods. Especially it is happening in the area of coastal region, because in coastal region seas are there. If all the ice caps or icebergs or glaciers get melted, what happen? The sea level is increases. There is a chances of floods. Okay, next point, that is second one, increases of heat. Okay, and we are going to feel a hotness. Third point, skin diseases. So these are the effect of global warming. Yes, yes, my dear friends, this is what are causes of air pollution. These are the causes of air pollution and effect of air pollution. Hope point is clear. Then how it could be prevented? How it could be prevented? Isn't it? Within 2-3 minutes, I will complete this. How it could be prevented? Yes, how it could be prevented? You know very well, factories. We have to increase the chimneys, tall chimneys. Height of chimneys we have to increase. Okay, so that the smoke or smog, whatever it may be, that can move above the atmosphere. Height of the chimneys we have to increase, isn't it? So second one, we should switch on towards the alternative energies or sources of energy, instead of coal, instead of petrol, diesel. We switch on towards the sun energy or any non-pollutant energy, fuel we can use such energy. It means CNG gas, LPG gas, sun energy we have to use, and there is a chances of prevention of air pollution, isn't it? Then after that, we should build the factories away from the city. Okay, certain distance, maybe 20 kilometer or 40 kilometer, more than 20 kilometer, I have to build the factories away from the city, isn't it? There is chances of avoiding or preventing the air pollution, isn't it? Yes. Next, we should create the awareness among the people. It means we have to give the knowledge about the air pollution. What are the effects of air pollution? How it causes? Yes, so we have to give the knowledge in detail among the people, because some people they are uneducated. Yes, my dear friends, hope it is clear. Whatever we have discussed, just you see once again, because you are going to write test tomorrow. I hope you'll write test properly, and please read all the textbook questions, and whatever we have provided notes and everything you have to read, and go to the exam. Uh, I wish you all the best for your PA2 examination. Thank you, guys. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ